Horse rocket.
What? B6-4.
B6-4.
What's the height we're expecting on this one?
About over 200 feet.
200 feet? Holy 200 feet? I don't know. Okay, we're about to see it. Alright. Alright, here's the countdown. In 2, 1. What?
Sorry, my bad.
About 80 feet, 100 feet. Second burst.
Was it?
Straight into the ground.
Oh.
What happened to that pause? What am I hit? What happened?
I built my rocket.
You what?
My parachute didn't go.
Yeah, I think the wind was keeping it from getting to altitude.
Ooh.
Second burst.
Blew up.
Yeah, it was too low. What do you think? He didn't get his badge because he didn't blow up like him, right? That rocket blew up.
I can't wait to see this one.
Are you reloading?